Hi everyone, we are the parents of Joshua Sanatoy Singh. Sainik School Hanumangarh is not just a school for our son. It is a place that's shaping his character, courage, and dream. Every day we see him becoming more disciplined, responsible, and confident. The school's nurturing environment, inspiring mentors, and value-based training are helping him discover the best version of himself.
As parents, we feel blessed to have chosen this institution. We truly believe that under the guidance of Sainik School Hanumangarh, our son will rise with honor, excellence, and a bright future.
Thank you for transforming our child into a young leader. Jai Hind.